grab a cup and pour half of your automatic transmission fluid in. You don't need much, just a little bit. You want to do about half and half. Take either your steel wool or toothbrush. You start with the steel wool. Start scrubbing that in. And then what I like to do afterwards at the very end is take your steel wool or cloth or whatever you got, and I'm just going to leave it in here. And I'm doing that so it can kind of just soak at least 3 to 6 hours. I might even apply some more of this solution later, and then just look at it tomorrow and try to get it off then, the axle nut. Okay, it's the next day, so I'm going to take this off now. Let's take a look at our axle nut. Still nicely soaked. Take the steel wool off. Scrape it again. Doesn't hurt. What's amazing is the axle nut doesn't look as rusty anymore. That's how it looks. I was going to add another coat of the solution, the ATF and Acetone, but I think I'm going to just try taking it off now. Put your emergency brake on. And maybe put something by the wheels. This is a 32mm socket. I can put my breaker bar on here. And let's see what happens. Oh, I feel something moving. Look at that. Oh my God. I feel it moving. Hand. Look at that. Got it. See. Maybe. Threads still look pretty good. Let's see. That still looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to take my axle nut, and I'm going to put it back on. I'm going to thread it by hand as much as possible. Okay, get your 32mm socket and breaker bar, and start turning it. First like this. Once it gets harder, then you'll have to use the breaker bar. Clockwise. Okay, once it feels it's on tight enough, remove your socket from the breaker bar. Put the socket on your torque wrench and set it to 157 foot-pounds. Sure it's nice and tight on there, and there we go. Okay, and that's it. And then while you're at it, you might as well torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. I'm gonna put the other one on here and do it in a star-shaped pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So that's how you remove and replace an axle nut. The ATF automatic transmission fluid acetone mix. Really helped. Before I couldn't even get it to move. And today, I was able to get off right away. No problem. So easy. Hope this helps, this video. So, tell me if you liked it.